Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's marinate our 500 grams of beef tenderloin. Combine it with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. This step is crucial because it infuses the beef with flavor. You'll know it's ready when the beef has absorbed most of the marinade and looks slightly darker. Next, let's prepare our garlic. Take 10 cloves and mince them finely. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat and fry the garlic until it's golden brown. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful not to burn it. You'll know it's perfect when it smells aromatic and looks golden, not dark brown. Strain the garlic and reserve both the garlic and the oil separately. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now, using the garlic-infused oil, sauté the marinated beef until it's nicely browned on all sides. This should take around 5 to 7 minutes. Once browned, add the fried garlic back into the pan and cover it. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's done when the beef is tender and the aroma fills your kitchen. Remove the beef from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 cup of sliced mushrooms and sauté them until they're soft and slightly browned, which should take about 5 minutes. Then, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and stir to form a paste. This will help thicken our sauce later. Gradually add 1.5 cups of water to the pan, whisking continuously to avoid lumps. Add 1/2 of a beef broth cube, a bit more soy sauce, and a dash of black pepper. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the sauce coats the back of a spoon smoothly. Return the beef to the pan and let it simmer in the sauce for another 2 to 3 minutes. This step is important to ensure the beef absorbs the flavors of the sauce. You'll know it's perfect when the beef is tender and the sauce is rich and glossy. Finally, garnish your dish with the reserved fried garlic and some chopped spring onions. Serve it hot and enjoy the delicious flavors of your homemade garlic pepper beef with mushrooms. The spring onions add a fresh touch, and the garlic gives it that extra kick. Enjoy your meal. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.